All right. Hello, everyone. If you're here, it's because you are a B student looking to understand how to start your day for social studies. Today, there's sort of a hodgepodge of tasks to do, so I'm going to give you an overview video. You're going to start today by watching this video. Good job. You're already done almost with task one. Here is our agenda for today. The second item applies to only my first and second period students who ran a little short on time yesterday. If you did not finish your guided notes, here are the items that you need to copy down into your actual guided notes. So we just didn't get to the 8th Amendment, the 9th Amendment, and the 10th Amendment. So if you could take a few seconds just to make sure you have these three concepts down, that would be amazing. Okay, the next thing on here is titled The Bill of Rights in Real Life Activity. In a second, I'm going to go over that. The last thing you're going to do today is the Bill of Rights Check for Understanding. That is this quiz here. It's a practice quiz. It's not graded. Just to go over your understanding of the Bill of Rights. Cool? All right, so Bill of Rights in Real Life, IRL. You are going to be reading a series of cases here, Supreme Court cases actually, that happened in real life. And I want you to identify which amendment is really being discussed here. So this is the activity that's posted in today's Schoology folder as an assignment. So in each case, you'll see information about the case in the left column. The title of the case is right here. You're going to fill in the amendment number in the middle as well as key words, which I'm going to show you an example of right now. So the first case is my example to start you off. It is titled Bennett versus Wainwright. This happened in 2007. So here's the description. During a police raid of a private home, a resident was shot and killed by a state trooper. The family argued that this violated a Bill of Rights amendment because it is illegal for a soldier to insist upon quartering in a private residence during a time of peace. However, the court ruled that a single state trooper and several deputy sheriffs cannot be considered soldiers within the meaning of that word as it is used in the amendment. Additionally, the use of the house for a period of fewer than 24 hours does not meet the definition of quartering. So looking back at your notes from yesterday, and again, I would really emphasize looking back at your notes from yesterday, I want you to identify which amendment you think this connects to. Which amendment has to do with quartering of soldiers? The amendment that should go here is the Third Amendment. So you can just write 3. Okay, so that's what's going to go in this box here. How do you know it clearly connects to that? This is where you're going to start listing keywords. So the first thing I noticed is the word quartering. That is a keyword because that is a word directly from the Bill of Rights, as well as we know the Quartering Act back when the Road to Revolution stuff happened. The second keyword I notice here is time of peace. I know that that is a specific mention within the amendment as well because it's in my notes. So I'm not asking you to debate whether or not these cases are justified. I am just asking you to make a clear connection to an amendment. Now, there is a potential other amendment here you could mention if you want to, having to do with somebody raiding a private home. Does this example mention a warrant? No. So I guess technically if we talk about this, and we'll talk about it tomorrow when I see you in person, in real life, you could also mention the Fourth Amendment. Why? There's no key word per se, but you could say police raid without a warrant. We can talk about that tomorrow. So there are a few connections on this one specifically, but the other cases are pretty straightforward. So again, here's the answer to number 1. You're going to do the same sort of thing for case B, case C, D, E, and F. Then I want you to submit it. Tomorrow we will do these 3 cases together. So again, at the bottom then it says, don't forget to turn this assignment in on Schoology. Once you've submitted, be sure to complete the Bill of Rights Check for Understanding. Email me if you have any questions. This is a pretty challenging activity, but I think you can handle it. Good luck, guys, and have a good rest of your day.